Court, also called court of law, a person or body of persons having judicial authority to hear and resolve disputes in civil, criminal, ecclesiastical, or military cases. Trial courts are courts that hold trials. Sometimes termed courts of first instance, trial courts have varying original jurisdiction. Trial courts may conduct trials with juries as the finders of fact, or trials in which judges act as both finders of fact and finders of law. Appellate courts are courts that hear appeals of lower courts and trial courts. Following are some types of court: administrative court, constitutional court, commercial, drug court, family court, juvenile court, labor court, patent court, tax court.